Hi there! You found us here at Storytime with Miss Becky. I'm Miss Becky, and this is our friend Bear, who loves to read along with you. Bear has a question for you. Have you ever heard of making rainbow stew? Lots of no's, Bear. Well, Bear's heard that it is possible, and he says these children are about to make rainbow stew right now. Let's put on the magic reading glasses and see how they make it. Rainbow Stew by Cathryn Falwell. Stretch, wiggle, sniff, and giggle. We scramble from our beds. Grandpa's making pancakes for his favorite sleepyheads. We love to visit Grandpa. It's always so much fun. He lets us play outside all day so we can jump and run. Whimper, sigh, cloudy sky. Is it too wet to play? We don't want to stay inside because of rain today. Grandpa smiles and says to us, I know what we can do. Let's go and find some colors for my famous rainbow stew. Splish, splash, puddle, dash. We bounce right out the door. We're off to find some red and green, some yellow, orange, and more. Grandpa shows us how to move between each garden row. Lifting up the drippy leaves, we see what colors grow. Drip, drop, shake, and hop. Here are lots of greens. Spinach, kale, and cucumbers. Zucchini, peas, and beans. We find some yellow peppers and a purple cabbage head. We tug on rosy radishes and pop them from their bed. Slip, slide, squishy stride. We snip off red tomatoes. We dig into the dark, wet dirt and pull out brown potatoes. We jump around like grasshoppers and buzz about like bees. We creep along like ladybugs and all get muddy knees. Pull, pick, gather quick. We need more for the stew. Grab some orange carrots and a purple eggplant too. Our basket's full of colors. We park it by the door. Our clothes and boots are dripping, making puddles on the floor. Grandpa helps us wash our hands and dries our soggy hair. It's almost time to cook, he says. So find dry clothes to wear. Peel, slice, chop, and dice. Colors fill the pot. Stir in herbs and water, and then wait till it gets hot. Grandpa says he's proud of us. We're such terrific cooks. While the stew is heating, we have time to read our books. Howl, yowl, tummies growl. We're a hungry bunch. It's time to serve up heaping bowls of rainbow stew for lunch. Yum, 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 yum. Bear's wondering, would you like to try making rainbow stew for your family or friends? Many say yes, Bear. Well, Bear says you can find out how because the recipe is in the back of the Rainbow Stew book. You just need an adult to help you. Well, Bear hopes you try it, and he also hopes you come back soon for more adventures in trying rainbow food. Bye for now. Please subscribe.